Hey you guys, today I'm going to be going over what a canceled call means on an iPhone. So a canceled call basically is a call that did not make it to the other person's phone. So if you were making a phone call and your phone got interrupted and hung up for whatever reason, it just means that that call never actually got to your other party and their phone did not ring or receive the notification whatsoever. This happens often when you're calling somebody and you realize you're calling the wrong person and you hang up right away. Other times it could be that you lost service as soon as you started to call that person, or you accidentally answered an incoming call just as you were trying to call another person as well. There's a bunch of different reasons why a canceled call would occur. A commonly asked question would be if the call actually goes through. If it appears in your log, you don't have to worry, it didn't actually go through to the other person, and they're not going to receive any notification for that. It's not going to show up in their history or anything. If you're noticing that your phone is continually canceling calls, and it's not your doing, so you're not hanging up, you're not losing service, or other reasons, then this could be an issue with your phone itself. It could be an issue with your signal, but it could also be a software bug or an issue with the phone app. If this is the case, I'm going to go over some troubleshooting methods. So the first way would be to restart your iPhone. This should hopefully get your signal back if that's what is the problem. So if you're in a place in your house or in the city where you normally should have service, but it's not showing up or it's just not working, then what you want to do is press and hold your power button and your volume button. You're going to press and hold these at the same time until that slide to power off comes on. You're going to slide to the right, and then your phone's automatically going to restart. You're just going to press and hold that power button until your Apple logo pops back up and it's going to turn back on for you. If this still doesn't work, then it could be that you just don't have a good signal, so you might want to move to a better place where you know you have a stronger signal. You can also use Wi-Fi calling if your phone service isn't working. The next thing you want to do is make sure that airplane mode is not on. Because it's in your control center, sometimes it can accidentally be triggered or turned on. To look for this, you just want to slide down, and if that airplane mode is orange, that means it's turned on. You just want to make sure that's turned off, and that should trigger your phone and your service to start working again. Next, you want to update your phone. So if your phone is not up to date, this could be what's causing your phone app to not work. To look for any updates, you want to launch your settings. Then you're going to scroll down and go into General. And at the top here, you'll find the software update option here. So if you had any upcoming updates that you were able to install, they would pop up right here. You can also go into automatic updates and make sure that this is on. This just means that whenever an update becomes readily available, it's going to automatically update for you, so you don't have to go in and do it manually. Lastly, you'll want to reset your network settings. And to do this, you're going to launch your settings. We're going to scroll back down into General and scroll down to the bottom here. We're going to select Transfer or Reset iPhone. And here we're going to select Reset. It's going to bring up a few different options here, and we want to reset network settings here. If you've tried all these troubleshooting tips and it still seems that you're getting canceled calls over and over, the next best thing would be to contact Apple support, and they can look into it for you and maybe give you some more steps and things to try that we couldn't think of. It could be that your phone just has a hardware issue and they may be able to fix it for you. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that all this information was helpful to you. I will see you guys in the next video.